know, Wayne, I would offer to have you step inside this ring so we can fight this out like men. I would offer, but I would hate for your little boy to sit there and watch his own father fail. Because let's face it, he gets to experience that every single time you step on a football pitch.
Not sure how wise that is.
Stop minding your own business before I knock you out, huh?
Rooney just smacked Barrett.
Oh yeah, here we
Cesaro
go.
taking advantage. Rolling up Sheamus. Shoulders are down.
Yeah.
Cesaro advances. Wayne Rooney popped Bad News Barrett. Sheamus distracted. Cesaro took advantage. And watch this. Barrett in the face of Rooney, and Rooney had it up.
It's worse than Sir Alex's hairdryer at halftime.
Updated brackets now.